Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in again. I am Christina, and you know how I love to do my DIY projects. So today I'm going to show you how I make my Thanksgiving Sangria. So get your fruit, get your liquor, and get all of your supplies together because we are about to make a nice one. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing if you have, and if you haven't, please do so. I do appreciate it. Okay, so you see everything that we need to get this project started. Those are just a couple of pictures of the liquors and stuff that I use and things I'm going to be using in the video. I did also make, as usual, the list. This is one of my fave drinks for the fall, and especially for Thanksgiving, you want your own little spiked drink. So this is very easy and very simple to make. So I'm gonna let you enjoy it, and then I'll be back to check on you in a minute. I love to juice, and throughout the fall time, I juice a lot. And there is no better way than to have fresh juice for your sangria. By all means, if you don't have a juicer, by all means, just buy juices that you like of the different fruit flavors. But this is such an awesome way to make your sangria. It's so fresh, it's so light, it's very tasteful. It brings out all the flavors that you need to make your sangria. Now, there are easier ways to strain your juices, but I prefer it this way. It works for me. It has worked for me all this time, and something that works, I just don't change. So I do this multiple times. I'm about 4 times, and yeah, I'm not going to change. So do here is you're going to add your water and your light brown sugar, not dark brown, but light brown, and your rosemary with a hint of raw honey. And then I also put in a second time of more of the light brown sugar. That way it's nicely coated, it's soaked in, and then it can all come to a boil. And when it comes to a boil and caramelized together, it's so flavorful in a sangria. I mean, it just boosts it. I feel like this is my little secret right here that adds so much flavor in my sangria. now, guys, it's time to taste. That was amazing. It was so good. I was in my moment. Everything's very consistent as usual. Been making it for a while. I enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it if you made it with me or if you try it on your own. Until next time. Bye.